As you know, we're one of the founding members and very interested in forming this consortium because we realized that we've identified some big differences between what some call the Internet of Things, Internet of Everything, and what we need in the industrial world. So we wanted to, each of the founding members, trying to tackle these items individually. We realized that we have to unite our forces, to join our forces to make an indent and actually make progress in developing the standards, closing the gaps, developing the frameworks, the architectures, the security to support industrial solutions. This is the best time to join because you have an opportunity to be heard from the beginning. I think it's fortunate to be a member with the rest of the consortium members because they all bring the values and their perspective, which I may not have coming from working for a wireless operator. So I appreciate bringing this new perspectives into these meetings and understanding what their pain points are, what their use cases they're trying to solve for, and trying to put those into some end-to-end use cases, end-to-end framework architectures, security frameworks. And, it helps us understand the use cases in the industry. So coming directly from these participants, I think it's very critical for us. It helps us understand what our gaps are in developing both technologies. We have gaps not only on the technology side, but also on legislative, political, and other aspects that we all need to attack. So how this helps me is it helps me define the products that we need to launch to fulfill the needs of these customers, of our large customers. It helps me understand the problems that they fight and also what we can do to solve their problems. We're looking for input from many members on what are their pain points, what are the use cases they're trying to solve. So bring those to the consortium. And then the other side of the consortium, a lot of them already have solutions maybe for what they're trying to identify. So whether they're punctual solutions or end-to-end solutions, I think what the consortium's goal should be is to identify those gaps and fill them with solutions in the long term. So I would encourage people to come to the table with both those use cases. One is tell us what you need to solve, what are the pain points, what are use cases, and then tell us if you have, maybe somebody solved the problem of authentication and security at a global scale and transitioning assets. So maybe somebody already has a solution for that. So bring those two together. I think that's one of the critical aspects of that. I think you will find a place where we're all open to hearing what everybody has to say. This is a very open community, so everybody's really interested in listening and understanding what everybody has to say.